In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Gumroad to Airtable using Zapier. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, make sure your products are already published and ready to receive sales. Next, open Zapier and create a news app. For the trigger app, search for Gumroad and select it. Now choose the trigger event called New Sale. This trigger will automatically run every time someone purchases one of your Gumroad products. After that, connect your Gumroad account using your API key. Once the trigger is connected, choose Airtable as the action app. For the action event, select Create Record. This will automatically create a new row inside your Airtable database whenever a new sale happens. Now, connect your Airtable account and choose the base and table where you want the sales data to be stored. After that, map the Gumroad data fields into Airtable. You can include fields like customer name, email address, product name, price, purchase date, and transaction ID. Once everything is configured, click Test Zap to make sure the automation works correctly. If the test is successful, click Publish to turn the automation on. Now every new Gumroad sale will automatically appear inside your Airtable database without any manual work. You can also use Airtable filters, views, and automations to organize customers, track revenue, or manage product deliveries more efficiently. And that's how to connect Gumroad to Airtable. Thanks for watching and goodbye.